What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm sure you've clicked because you saw the title. It is not clickbait. I'm diving right in on this video. That's right. I'm gonna give away / raffle off a single turbo hot parts kit. It's from Doc Race, who is the same manufacturer of the turbo kit I have on my car. It's been awesome. I love these guys. They make top-notch, high-quality products. And this is my way of giving back to all you guys who've been subscribing, liking, sharing, doing everything to support me and my content. And now is your chance to reap the rewards of that. So since my channel is always N54s, you guys know how much I love the 135, the 335, and all that. I decided to give away an N54 top mount single turbo kit. And like I said, I've used this turbo to make 752 wheel horsepower in my car, and I've used their intake manifold at the same time. It's a great kit. It's my favorite top mount kit that's out there, and what better way than to give it away to all you guys. So this includes a manifold, the downpipe, and then it splits in to a second piece of a downpipe. This connects to your stock exhaust or your factory style exhaust, and it includes the wastegate dump tubes. So it's all of the hot parts, meaning the exhaust related pieces. You still will have to buy a turbo, the wastegates, and the other miscellaneous hardware, but this is the heavy hitting hard part of the kit, the part that takes the most time if you're building yourself, or it's the most costly piece when you're buying the whole kit. It retails at $3,000, so this is your chance to get a $3,000 kit for the price of, I'm thinking, about 30 bucks. Why don't we just do 100 entries at 30 bucks a pop? So with that being said, let's dive into the details of this raffle. If you guys have participated in raffles before, you're probably familiar with the concept. But basically, you're gonna have a 1 in 100 chance of winning at 30 bucks each. And I'm gonna post all the details down in the description, but basically I'm gonna need you to be following me on Instagram. I'm gonna need you to be following Doc Race on Instagram. And you also will have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. But if you're seeing this video, I hope that you're already subscribed. Obviously, this is to give back to all my supporters, so I don't want to involve random people. I want it just to be for you guys who've been following me on YouTube and my Instagram followers. And since YouTube is obviously a video platform, I don't have a lot of room to give you guys the lowdown and the details, so be sure to follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm going to be posting the details of this giveaway / raffle, but it's going down tomorrow. That's why I'm uploading 2 videos in a row. This is happening quick. I threw this together real fast, but like I said, details tomorrow, and as soon as those 100 spots fill up, I'm capping it off. I don't want to be making money on this deal. It's just to give back to you guys, and I know someone's going to be happy for 30 bucks to win this whole kit. And then once we hit those 100 tickets sold, I'm gonna be doing a YouTube and Instagram live. I'm gonna try YouTube's live feature out. I've never used it. I'm gonna try Instagram's live feature out. I've never used that either. Both at the same time, only one drawing. Everyone can tune in. Everyone's got an equal shot at winning this thing. And I wanna just pick a random number. So for however many tickets I sell, whatever position in line you are, that's gonna be your number. It's gonna spin the random number generation wheel, and it's just gonna pick one number, and that'll be it. That person's gonna win. I don't want any whiny people joining this saying, oh, I purchased and I didn't win. That's not how I roll. This is a lucky chance for 30 bucks for you to win. And if you don't win, I don't wanna hear crap about it because I'm still giving back to you guys. And if this all goes well, which I really think it will, I would give away a Doc Race intake manifold as well. I love N54s. I think a lot of you guys that follow this kind of stuff are into N54s. So what better things to give away than a good start at a top mount single turbo kit and potentially a manifold. But first I want to try out this single turbo kit. It's brand new, never been used, never been installed, ceramic coated single turbo hot parts kit. It doesn't get any better than this stuff, guys. Anyone can enter this. If you're inside of the US and you win, I'm gonna hook you up with free shipping. However, if you're outside of the US, outside of the country, I'm gonna charge you actual shipping. You can still play, but we'll figure out those details whenever the winner is chosen. And I also wanna say I'm limiting the number of entries that one person can buy. I don't want one person to buy like half the entries and have the odds stacked up in their favor, just because I want more people to participate. I want more people to have a shot at this. It's a pretty cool giveaway, I think. I'm just doing it big right away, right out the gate. And with that being said, if you don't have an Instagram, make one, follow me, follow Doc Race. Be sure you're subscribed if you're not already subscribed on YouTube. And that's gonna wrap up this video by itself. I'll probably do a little bit longer of a video on the hot parts kit itself because I have a engine block over here, my old engine block. I think I can mount the kit up on there, show you guys how it all goes together, show you how it flows and how it works. I just think that'd be cool. Since I have the kit here, I want to do something with it, but it will be a brand new kit. It will never be ran, anything like that. And I also am in the position, since I have their single turbo kit and intake manifold, I can kind of show you how it looks installed, get the car up in the air with the lift, show you how the wastegates mount, where the dump tubes end up, how all this stuff goes together. I want to give back to you guys, and I have such a cool build, and the support from you guys has just been overwhelming, and Doc Race has been really supportive of the channel, and we partnered up to work on this together, and I just think it's I don't know. When I look back to when I started this YouTube channel about a year ago, I never thought it would be where it is today, and I just want to keep growing. I see big guys out there with such a large following, and it blows my mind. You know, I would love to get there one day, but I'm gonna keep grinding, and I'm giving back to you guys. So stay tuned for the live raffle. I'll have more details on Instagram, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.